In another video I showed you how to get directly in front of the studio during the last 2 weeks of May of 2019, given the works being done at the moment. Now I'm going to show you how you can get still to the studio without actually parking in front of it, save a lot of time and also save a lot of unnecessary hassle by simply parking where I'm going to show you. So I'm simply going up this newly constructed road here. This is of course if you are coming from the Lija, Mosta, Naxxar direction. Okay, so here we are. We just take a sharp turn to the right. We go straight. Keep going straight. And literally we can park anywhere around this area because look how close we are to Labour Avenue again. So basically I will try to park as close as possible to that bus shelter, which you might be seeing in the video already, and I will guide you ahead. And there is this passage which leads directly down to Labour Avenue. That is how close and hassle-free we are to reaching the complex. I hope this helps, and we'll see you around.